What's the meaning of Acadian? Acadian. 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 An Acadian is a descendant of the French settlers of Acadia, a region that is now part of the Maritime Provinces of Canada. Acadians are known for their strong sense of community and their unique culture, which includes a distinct French dialect, traditional music, and cuisine. In the 18th century, many Acadians were expelled from their homes by the British, and some of them eventually settled in Louisiana, where they became known as Cajuns. Today, there are about 400,000 Acadians living in Canada and the United States.